Yeah, man, the top chef, you know what I mean? Goes by the name of Dundyplace. The only top chef, you know what I mean? Ask Gordon Ramsay about me, you know what I mean? So we are going to see, I never even know how it look inside right now. So this is the pork shoulder I prepared earlier. And right now, at the moment of truth, you know what I mean? So we are going to see what I want, you know? We are opening it up. Alright, first time opening it up after 2 hours. Yeah, that's the pork shoulder right there. See what I go on with it now. So it's so tender, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, it's good, man. Tasty. It's tender, man. Tender, so tender. Look at it. Look at it. So tender and nice, you know what I mean? You can't beat that. But it's still not done yet. Still I go put it back in the oven. Wow. Mm. So good, man. I take out some of the use this as gravy later, you see me? I was gonna eat it with some rice. Yeah, man. Look at that. So beautiful, ain't it? Make sure you're following the page, yeah, man. Top Chef. I did no water. This is all the juice from the pork shoulder. So I'm gonna put it back in the oven for the next half an hour. And we'll be good. I need to have it nice and tender, you know what I mean? Alright. Look at that. Yeah, man. Let me show you up close and personal now. Look at that. God damn, son. Yeah, man, at the Top Chef, man. Dundyplace, man. Make sure you know I follow the page. Yeah, man. It's still not done. You see me, I say. Big up on yourself. I go fling it back in the oven again. Check in back later again and make sure you know what go on. You see me? Big up on yourself at the Top Chef. Yeah, man, at the Top Chef Dundyplace, man. You know the thing go. Look at that. Yeah, man, you don't know we are bad up the food, you see me? Yeah, man, don't mean to be rude. Yeah, man, go up on the channel and you can get enough instruction. Jamaican recipes, authentic. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, I done the place, man, at the Top Chef, man. Look at that. Make sure you follow the page. Yeah, man, I done the place. Bad chef, Top Chef. We gone.